Here is MeChat app interactive stories. So you can just tap get, just double click to install it. And then you just have it. Find your perfect story with MeChat. Welcome to the game with a fully new interactive adventure. Live through the stories where you make choices and your choices impact the ending. Explore and meet dozens of characters who are waiting there for you. Different archetypes, backgrounds, and stories, drama, sci-fi or thriller. Interact, unveil, and here just have it. Find and love, design your character, make impactful choices. And then you can just open it up. So it's quite a long download time for the app. And then pick your favorite stories who you're interested in. You can enable notifications. Pick your zodiac. And pick your avatar. And then you just confirm, and then this is how it starts. And then basically this is how it looks like. So for example, if you that's where you start. So that's the idea of the app. And then so that's where you have it. Start your first chat. So you need to start your first chat to proceed in here. And then that's where it is. And then you can just proceed with the chat. And then you just have all the messages here. Then you will need some diamonds. So you can join MeChat Premium. Where you can see all these features. Then you can see some achievements, some kind of monetization element, feature locked. So then you just proceed chatting and unlock more features. And then you can just collect some gems just for watching ads. So yeah, quite long annoying ads in this app to get these gems, but there you have it. Now you can just get it. So yeah, that's where it is. Then there's your account. If you want to, you can always remove your personal data and then just delete your account. So yeah, there you have it.